In this video, we are going to be looking at the Games Workshop Adeptus Titanicus Imperial Knights boxed set. Okay, so let's take a look at the contents. I've already pre-looked at the contents for you guys, but let's lay them out to see what should be inside the box. Okay, so you have one sprue. The sprue is a single plastic sprue. It's kinda in the vein that Games Workshop has been doing the past few years, where you have all the little parts so packed up. In the past, this probably would have been split between 2 or 3 sprues, but well, that's the new, more efficient Games Workshop style. Okay, you have one sprue containing everything you need. You have 3 of these. These are 40mm slot round bases. There you go. Wait. So these are the typical 40mm Games Workshop round bases, GW1999. Okay. Now it's important to note that this is the Adeptus Titanicus boxed set. The re-release of this box, which is for Legions Imperialis, had different bases. The bases are a little bit more shallow. These are your typical Warhammer 40,000 and Age of Sigmar base, 40mm bases, the ones that Space Marine Terminators and Tyranid Raveners are on. Okay, so you have 3 bases, 1 manual, which we're going to be looking at in a while, and a transfer sheet. So here it says, I'm not sure if this is the same transfer sheet that's in the Legions Imperialis version of this box set, but up here it says Adeptus Titanicus, the Horus Heresy, and it has transfers for the major houses of Games Workshop Limited 2018. There. So this is the original. This is the original boxed set. Okay. Alright, now it's important to note that this box set is now discontinued. Has been so it was originally released alongside the release of the original Adeptus the 2018 version of Adeptus Titanicus. It was replaced in 2019. Actually, that's pretty short. So it was released in it was replaced in 2019 by the Questoris Knights box set, which includes this sprue and an extra upgrade screw, which we will be looking at in another video. Okay. So, these are the contents of this particular boxed set. Yeah. 3 bases, transfer sheet, manual, and the sprue, a single plastic sprue containing all 3 knights of Adeptus Titanicus scale. Okay. So let's take a look at the manual. The manual is your typical manual. GW does change their manual styles from time to time. Okay, so Adeptus Titanicus Questoris Knights have your stuff you'll need to assemble the kit. It is a complex plastic kit, so you will need glue. Polystyrene or cyanoacrylate glue will do. Nippers and what is that? Citadel mold line remover, and X-Acto knife should do the same thing. Okay. Here we have the assembly instructions for your Imperial Knights with options. Now, these are 3 miniatures, 40mm scale, so they should be like buying a box of Ogryns or Terminators. Now, those are actually much simpler to assemble than these knights, actually, which is typical of the Adeptus Titanicus series. Okay? They may look small, but they are way more complex than an equivalently sized Age of Sigmar or Warhammer 40k figure. That's so have your miniatures. That's how to assemble the carapace, the legs. Okay, weapon options. Okay. So should have we'll be taking a look at some of their weapon options later. Just looking at the models, the actual sprue, how to assemble the thing, assemble them, and then your decal guide. Okay, and then paint schemes for the major houses. Of course, the the game is set during the Horus Heresy, so these are the major houses, Titan houses of the time. Okay. There, that is the manual. Right transfer sheet. You have your bases. Okay. Now let's take a closer look at the sprue just to see what's on it. Okay. Now this sprue as of 2024, you can't get this anymore. At least from GW, you can. This sprue has been repackaged into the Legions Imperialis Questoris Knights boxed set, which includes a separate upgrade sprue. Now we'll be taking a look at that in another video. This is the basic sprue that comes when you want to make 3 Questoris Knights. So yeah, it's carapaces. Okay, so you have 3. This sprue should contain 3 Questoris Knights, an Avenger Gatling cannon. Which one is that one? Let's take a look. That's the one where you assemble. No, so here's the. Well, it's pretty. Some of them do need assembly. It is a complex. It's a more complex kit. So an Avenger Gatling cannon, just 1. 1 rapid fire battle cannon, 1 thermal cannon, 1 melta-gun, okay? And then you have 3 melee weapons. Now, I'm guessing the reason why they upgraded it to the Questoris Knights set, which includes the newer upgrades, is because that contains a little bit more weapons, including melee weapons. For this one, you just have 3 typical melee weapons, of which I can see are the typical Titan chain fists, right? So there. So there's your typical Titan chain fist. There's another one, and there's the third one. Okay. It's for the here. So that is your Games Workshop Adeptus Titanicus Imperial Knights box set.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Molrat